Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, I've got a little recipe for y'all today. This is a very old recipe. Y'all know how I like them old recipes. And you may have heard of peach cobbler, cherry cobbler, blueberry cobbler, but have you ever had chocolate cobbler? That's what we're going to make today. Very, very simple ingredients. We just need some cocoa, milk, vanilla, sugar, flour, and butter. And so we're going to start. I've got my oven set at 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put this one stick of butter in the oven, and we got to melt that first. Now, second thing you want to do, 2¼ cups of water. I got it back here. Let's go ahead and pump up the heat. Got to have boiling water. And this is kind of a crazy little concoction, but it works out just fine. And you're going to see how easy it is to throw it together. Now, in this bowl, I've got 1½ cups of self-rising flour. And to this flour, we're going to add 1¼ cup of just granulated sugar. So about 1/4 cup. I'm going to give this just a little whisk, and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, just the unsweetened, to this. And I'm just going to do, little healthy ones. All right, we're going to whisk all this up. We're not done with that chocolate yet. You're going to see what we're going to do next. So give this just a little whisk. Now to this, we're going to add 3/4 cup of just whole milk. And it's going to go. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It's easy so far, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right, we've got our little batter going. 1, 2. Whoop, wrong one. All right, we're gonna mix this up just like so. It's not real soupy. It's gonna be kind of thick. Yep. Now we're gonna just set this aside to the side. Get my little milk to do in my top. There it is. Now we're gonna add 1½ cups of sugar. You know what? I didn't have my little measure in there. I didn't use it for the milk. We're going to just use this. So 1½ cups. I know it sounds like a lot of sugar, don't it?
It does.
Lots of sugar. But it's like magic, y'all. This little recipe. Make sure, nope, 1½. Look at that big old chunk trying to get out of there.
Don't you do it.
Don't do it. Don't jump out of there. I get the big containers of sugar from Costco, and I noticed that now I got too much. It has a lot of bumps and clumps in it. That's right. All right, 1½ cups. So we got our sugar there. Now to this, we're going to add another little bit of chocolate. 1/2 cup of cocoa to this. Just like that. Now you want to mix this so there's no lumps, no clumps. Let me get another get me another little doohickey here. We're gonna give this just a little mix. We want this to be mixed pretty good. I hear my water back there boiling. It's about ready. All we got to do now is wait on that butter. I started just to have it melted. I should have just did that. Drag you along, make you wait. Law. All right. This is smooth. There we go. All right, let me check this butter. And I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way, and I will be right back. All right, y'all, got this butter melted. She's a bubbling and doing.
She's a doing.
She's a doing. Yes, she is. All right. Now, we're going to take this little mix that we've got. This is your batter. And we're just going to pour that batter right on top here. Y'all, this is a crazy cobbler. You about to find out why. Now, the important thing is you do not mix anything. All the mixing is done before you put it in this dish, okay? Got that, Russell?
No mixing.
No mixing it. Don't mix it. Don't do it. As much as you want to, you're tempted to do it, don't do it.
Okay.
All right. Now, getting it all, honey, getting it all. All right, now we are going to take this this powder right here that we mixed up, just sugar and cocoa, and we're just going to put it all on top. Remember, don't mix.
No mixy.
No mixing. I'm going to do just like this. I think a spoon does better, don't you?
Yeah.
Yummy. Boy, that chocolate smells good. Now, some people put chocolate chips in theirs, but this is like the true original old-fashioned way to do it. Just cover it all up. About got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See what you're doing?
You see what I'm doing there? Mix it a little bit over there.
No mixing.
No mixing. I'm just sprinkling on there.
You said mix.
I said mix, but I didn't mean it.
Yes, you did.
You picked right up on it, didn't you?
I did. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're gonna take this 2 1/4 boiling water. Just boiling water, y'all. And here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna pour it all on it. You would not think to do that, would you?
No.
Boiling water. No, you would not. All right. Now, like I said, I've got my oven set 350 degrees. We ain't gonna touch it.
So she's just gonna go in.
Just gonna go in.
Well, okay.
350 degrees.
I am interested
Now, what
to
this
see how
does,
this does.
okay, you about to see, but what it
Yeah.
does is all that water's gonna go on the bottom when it cooks and make a delicious chocolate sauce, and you will have that cobbler on top. So let's hope it does what it's supposed to do.
What we cooking at?
Huh?
What?
350 degrees, and we are going to cook it for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right. In she goes. Whew. Hot. There it is, y'all. I cooked it about 35 minutes. Look at that. Look at that sauce just oozing up out of there. Mm-hmm. Yes. We just gonna let this sit a little minute and let it get its bearings because it is hot.
Let it get happy.
It is hot.
Yeah.
And then Russell, you can give us a little try and tell us what you really think of it.
Ooh, I can't wait for that.
All right, I'm gonna get the ice cream out.
Oh, ice cream.
Yes.
Ooh.
Sorry. All right, y'all, tasting time.
Ooh-wee.
He's got
And
him.
I'm gonna hurry up because this
Yes.
ice cream is melting fast.
Got him a little dollop of
Look at
ice
that.
cream.
What?
It's
my
like a hot fudge sundae. You're about to see. It is, ain't it? Hot fudge sundae. That's what it tastes like.
You know what it tastes like?
Shoney's? No, what?
A little bit.
What?
Chocolate melting cake.
Oh yeah, Carnival. It does. Y'all, it's got
Chocolate melting cake.
It's still hot, but look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Drip and zoom in.
Ha!
It's got this lovely chocolate sauce on the
Oh
bottom.
my goodness.
But let me tell you, when it cools off, it does thicken up, so no worries.
I don't know if you want it to thicken up.
No, that is perfect. It's perfect. You don't need chocolate
I
sauce
don't
or
think you want
nothing,
it to
honey.
thicken up, y'all.
No, you don't need anything else.
Oh my goodness. This is
It's
heaven.
good.
This is heaven. I'm just going to sit here and eat. Let her talk.
Good stuff. Anyway, yeah, it will thicken up, so no worries. It's thickening as the ice cream's on top of it. But y'all,
Yeah.
good stuff. And simple ingredients, things that you probably already have in your pantry anyway. It's good, ain't it?
Yeah.
Some people put chocolate chips in it, but it doesn't need it.
No.
Does
I
not
would
need
not
it.
even. No.
No.
That may be too much chocolate. That
Overkill.
is like
You
perfect.
already got that sauce going on and this little cobbler topping.
a little bit of.
It feels like a brownie.
It's a brownie topping. It reminds me of the carnival.
Yeah,
it really
milk.
does. It's like the
It
carnival.
does. If y'all been on a cruise.
You ever been on a cruise, the carnival cruise, and had the chocolate melting cake? That's what's up.
Yes. See, it's already getting a little thick.
What?
But oh, so good,
Perfect.
y'all.
It's perfect.
So good. He was like, hurry up, the ice cream's melting.
Yeah, we need to wrap it up because my ice cream's still
His
melting.
ice cream's melting.
No, she can just keep talking. I'll eat.
But anyway, y'all, I hope you try this because I'm telling you right now, if you're looking for something to throw together for dessert real quick or you got company coming over, like, good Lord, what am I going to do? Get in your pantry. It's good. He ain't stopped. That's how you know. I always tell everybody, I said, that's how you know when something is really, really good.
Yeah, Mr. Ed from the gym, he said videos he's watched. I just keep on eating
Sometimes
and
he
eating.
just gets it all right
Yeah,
there.
this one's for you, buddy. I'm just eating and eating. Yeah.
But anyway, really, this is something that you can just dig out your pantry real quick, put it together.
Well, whatever, I'm going to tell you.
It's crazy, too, how you just pour the boiling water on
I
top.
know. I wouldn't have
and you
thought
don't
that. That
mix
is
it.
surprising.
I know. I knew you would.
I was tripping on that. I'm like, I don't know how this is going to come out. And it was, man, it
good.
mixes and
Perfect.
blends like, it makes like a melting cake. That's cool.
Crazy
It's really
chocolate
cool,
cobbler.
man. That's crazy.
It really is.
Yeah.
But I just like the simplicity of it.
Well, you poured the hot water on top, but it went to the bottom. It's like
Right.
it flipped.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
It's like upside down.
Yeah.
Instead of sauce on the top, it's on the bottom.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's thickening up a little bit. But this is a good one, y'all.
Yeah.
This is a good one. A very old recipe. So if you love cobbler, I love cobbler of every kind. Peach, cherry, we like it all.
Hey, add
Chocolate.
chocolate to the list
Chocolate
for me
is a
because I
good
hadn't
one.
had that, but now I can say I am a fan.
Check off the chocolate cobbler.
Yeah.
Anyway, we won't keep y'all. We just thought we'd get on here.
She knows I'm ready to throw this. I'm ready
His
to
ice
tear the
cream
rest of
melting.
this. Yeah, I'm ready to tear the rest of this.
Yes,
stuff up.
but anyway, try it. Y'all know the drill by now. Let us
Yeah,
know.
let us know. Let us know.
And,
please let us know. We'd love to hear from you. We do.
Yes, I hope y'all have a good rest of the day.
Yeah.
And until next time.